Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS and has space. Once done, check settings: right arrow screen time, right arrow content and privacy, right arrow allowed apps to ensure App Store is enabled. Restrictions commonly hide it. Then restart the device to clear transient issues and use Spotlight. Swipe down and type App Store. If Spotlight finds it, tap to open. If not, keep going to restore the icon or re-enable installation permissions. Next, you perform the detailed execution. Sign into your Apple ID under Settings, right arrow App Store, so installation permissions are linked to your account. Then go to Screen Time, right arrow Content and Privacy Restrictions, right arrow iTunes and App Store purchases, and set installing apps to allow. Also ensure in-app purchases and deleting apps are set as needed. If the icon is still missing, reset the home screen layout under Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone, right arrow Reset. That returns built-in app icons to default positions. For final steps, update to the latest iOS and then sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. That refreshes App Store connectivity. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear cached profiles and retry. As a last resort, back up and restore or reset the device to factory settings. If the App Store remains unavailable, make sure the phone isn't managed by an MDM or parental profile. Contact the administrator or Apple support. That single troubleshooting step often resolves server-side or policy blocks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.